Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? Good afternoon, have a nice day and a good day. So guys, get.io gave me a project name CRT. Okay, project name CRT. So we are starting project and get more informations and more details. Okay, Gate launch pool, newly added CRT project CRT stack USDT CRT to earn USDT CRT to earn reward delivers in real time. Okay, CRT project CRT will be launched on Gate Launch Pool Stack USDT CRT to earn CRT tokens reward early HOR. Okay. Everyone, welcome to my live channel. How are you today? Good afternoon. Have a nice day. Good day. Okay, we are discuss CRT project. Airdrop details. Stacking period. um June 16 June to 24 June 2025. 12 UTC. Okay, total stacking reward 3 billion CRT. Stacking to earn CRT. Project name CRT. CRT project is an all powered all powered Web3 content platform where creators submit story ideas and earn CRT token as their content is adapted into monetizable scripts and media backed by two investors, including Genesis Blockchains, Vanity, uh, and Apex Crypto. Ventures CRT is uh, pioneering, mm, pioneering the create to earn models, transforming imaginations into income. Okay, and more details. CRTP pool, card pool, total stacking rewards 15 billion CRT and participants 7 to 42 and token stacked CRT price pool Horley cap 7812.5 CRT and mining period 8 days individual Horley reward cap um, 2.031.25 and total stack to 1247 479 943.97 CRT and APR 3699.05%. Okay, and official website. Okay, official website is opened. This page is not open. This time available is not. Everyone, welcome join my live channel Panic Crypto 4488 and Arif Khan 99 and adult cells Koizong. You joins live my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, next X Twitter. A7 made 94. I I double 07. Welcome everyone. Drishti. Drishti join my live channel. Happy 44. Okay. CRT create to errand. Create to errands. Welcome to CRT, where user imaginations becomes real content and errand real value. To try CRT services beta. Key features of card are story adaptations and decentralized collaborations create to errands with CRT and our reasons create to errands our reason decentralized storing card ecosystem global since 2025, we believe that storytelling should not be limited to studios or insiders. CRT enables global user to write, submit, and on stories and and blockchains power platforms where every voice can continue contribute and earn all as creatives uh, partners and CR to engage built on House 2025 on Gang and next create to earn C 2E create two errands and reward system BSC based launch to Q to 2025 and from stories to revenues content listening and distributions 2025 futures when CRT developed content is listened mm, or monetized through media's partnerships. The revenues is fairly shared with all contributing creators through smart contract based distributions mechanisms. And how card work? Number three steps to contracts monetizations. CRT transforms that traditional contracts pipelines instead of centralized productions. Our platforms enables global collaborations, all pressing and on-chain revenue sharing. Step one, submit your story or idea. Now step two, I'll adapt in it into script board. And step three, contents contents gets licensed to you errand card all powered story adaptations, decentralized collaborations, tokenized revenue sharing, mutables ownerships to via BSC. CRT token distributions, community rewards, ecosystem reward, and development, and OPS, and team, and advisors, reserves fund, and remorph. Okay, CRT projects roadmap. Question Q1 2025 CRT tokens launched PSC smart contract audio complete TMA Telegram mini app more uh, attractor shirt start. And question 2 2025 TMA beta test launch all story engines integrations MVP community engagement competitions begin. Question number 3 open beta launch TMA first Comaricals storyboard allocations, content monetizations, periods with studio, and question number 4 revenue sharing via smart content launch of government's vetting system upon partnership expansions. Uh, Question okay 2026 and by once web mobiles full platform launched creator DAO implementations all drives dynamic contents platforms global licensing pipeline and meet the CRT core team. There are four members. They can work in CRT project. Lucas Stan, Rachel Lim, and Noah Carter's, Syra Brox. Okay, backed by global partners and uh, get in touch interested in partnering investing on just curious about the futures of uh, powers contents creation reach out or join our community officials CRT project XYZ join our telegram key future of Crest officials. Okay, creator and okay, and next white paper. White paper overview of the CRT project. The CRT project create to really tokens is an all-powered decentralized content ecosystem that transforms user generated stories into real-world media productions. By enabling user to collaboratively write and submit narrative scanner CRT users advanced artificial intelligence to adapt these contributes into structured script and results story board These are then developed into film series, series or advertisement, creating a transparent and community drive media pipelines. All contributors are rewarded through CRT tokens, reflecting their creative impact and ownerships. Okay, and next. Uh, Everyone, welcome to my live channel. Nisha Jahan and UIT's second brother, many other members. Thank you so much. Vision and missions. Vision. Sorry, vision and missions. Visions to build a new paradigm. Uh, paradigms in a storytelling, where anyone can create, contribute, and co-own the futures of media through the powers of all and blockchains. Missions. CRT improves global creators by brings creative with technologies. Our mission is to decentralize the creative productions process, reward participations fairly, and to product high quality media through collectively imaginations and all collaborations. Next, what is create, Aaron? C2E. Iran to Iran, C2E is the core philosophy of the CRT ecosystem. It represents a shift from passive consumptions to active creations in the C2E model. User earn reward, not be playing game by investing capitals, but by creating meaningful narrative content. Every scenario, submissions, story, referencement, and collaborations in the creative process is monitorized. All acts as a co-creator. Adapting user input into productions ready for formats. Once the contents is realized in the media industry, profits are shared back with the originals contributors, closing the loop of creatively collaborations and reward. Current trends in all and creative industry, artificial intelligence in rapidly transforming creative industries across the global, from generative art and script to music productions and video ending. All is no longer supplementary tool. It is becoming a creative collaborator. Major studios and content platform are integrating all to accelerate pre-production process and personalize storytelling and borderless creative ecosystem. The convergences of all and Web3 is unlocking unprecedented unprecedented opportunities for user drive innovations in content creations. Okay, and next. Problem in traditional content creations. Deposit the advancement in technology, the traditional content just remains centralized, opaque, and exclusionary. Original creators often lose ownerships of their work once submitted to agencies or studios. The barriers to entry are high, and only and only fractions of global talent has access to manage full opportunities. Revenues distributions is highly shocked toward predactions companions, living rights ideators and small contributors undercompensated stated uncompo compensated or unrecognized. This outdated system hinders innovations, limits diversity and slow the pace of creative evolutions. Okay. And next, why decentralized creative collaborations matters. Decentralized creative collaborations empowers community to co-create, to co-own, and co-benefits from the contents they help build. With the blockchain's technology, contributors can transparently track their input and receive fair reward based on real impact. When combined with all these models scales story telling into a collaborative ecosystems where creative potentials is not confined by geography, status, or traditional gatekeepers. CRT leverages these decentralized structures to build a participatory platform where imaginations is reward, story become assessed, and collective creativity drives the next generations of media. And how art transform creativity. Okay, creative collaboration CRT redefine the process of storytelling by turning it into a dynamic open collaborations between users and artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional models where select few control creative direction, CRT open the door to global participations. Anyone can contribute story ideas, scans, concepts, or narrative sequences, which are then integrated into a larger shared creative in universe. The platforms functions as well as living creative space where users generated input is enhanced and structures by all breaking down the silos between creator, editors, and producers. Okay, and next. All driven scenario adaptations and story boarding. Ones of CRT core innovations lies in its all engines which process and reference user submitted contents that are not only understand narrative flow narrative flow and character development, but also adapts fragmented input into Joseph scripts over time. With enough contributions, the all generates a complete storyboard where results break down and productions ready on outlines. This eliminate the traditional slow and expensive early stage planning process, dramatically accelerating content red lines for productions in film, TV, web series, and advancing. Okay. बेटा मुझे पिलाओ तो मुझे खुश्की हो रही है, गले में दर्द हो रहा है. Mars, welcome join my live channel. So guys, this time we are discuss in CRT project, uh, community participations and reward mechanism. CRT ecosystem is powered by its user. Every contributions. Uh, every contributions, whether a single paragraph, a character idea, or a complete scenario, is logged on chains and attributed to its authors contributors error point based on the quality revenues and integrations of their input or used. The points are later converted into CRT tokens, which carry real world value and can be traded, held, or used for governments returns the problem platform. Okay. Additionally, when a final content when a final contents prices in monetized, e.g. Through licensing or streaming, revenue ensure uh, proportionally with the contributors involved in ensuring fair and transparent compensation. Okay. And next, scanners scenario submission process, and next, all adaptations and storyboarding. Okay. And next, media productions and commercializations upon completions of the storyboarding phase. The finalized package are offered to partnered productions studios, streaming services, animations houses, and marketing agencies. Okay. And next, revenue distribution restructures once contents in monetized revenues are distributed through a smart contracts based model. Contributors, writers, concepts provides and review receives their shares in CRT token based on a transparent contribution index. Okay. And next, okay, next, overview of CRT tokens. The CRT tokens create a reality tokens is the native utility and reward tokens of the of the cards ecosystems. Okay. And next, token utility. Uh, token utility and use cases. CRT token services multiple essential functions within the ecosystem: contributor reward, revenues sharing and stacking, and access governances and marketplace transactions. And next, token allocations, category, community reward, ecosystem growth fund, deployment, development, operations, liquidity and listening teams, advisors, and research fund. Okay, and next. Visiting schedules category and visiting plan, community rewards 33.33% in TG tokens generations events that. And ecosystem growth fund and development operations, liquidity and listening team, and advisors reserves fund. Okay, and next, user workflow, the ACRT platform offers a seamless and intuitive users experience from creative company. Users can register, explores ongoing project, and submit story ideas or scenario draft directly through the platform. And next, all engines and scenario processing, at the core of CRT lies proprietary. All engines designed specify heavily for creative content. uh, Possessed narrative strength and matches fragments to wild on chase storylines they all handles. And next, reward and revenue sharing systems. All platform interactions are content connected to transparent point to tokens conversation systems. And next, security and data protections. The CRT and the CRT platform integrated multiple layers of security and privacy protocols to ensure user data, content ownerships, and transactional integrity. And like blockchains, integrations, content attributions, data privacy, and smart contract audits. And next, media content listening, one of the primary revenue stream for the CRT platform comes from the licenses of all adapted and community generated content, as finalized storyboard and script are transformed into media ready assets. Okay, and next, advertising and brand collaborations. In additions in listening, CRT generators awareness through strategic collaborations with brands and advertisers, as stories involve into media ready formats. They can be tailored or enhanced for brand integrations, products placements, or convergence driven story telling. Development phases, phase one. Structures TMA development questions 1 to 2025. TMA development begins and phase 2 beta launch and user testing. Question 2 2025 to 5 telegrams mini apps. TMA development completed in questions 2. Phase 3 public launch and ecosystem expanses 3. Question 3 question 4 2020 5. And phase number 4 full commercializations 2026 and by 1. And key milestones and launch plan. CRT tokens launch and TMA core futures convergence and closed beta test launch and open beta global's first licensed content deal. Creator governments launch DAO and full platform commercializations. And next, core teams members, losers, 10 futures and CEO Singapore, Richie Lim and North Great Carter, Syria Saira Brox. Advisor and partners, Dr. Lionel Tan, all Inthetix and Policy Advisors, Singapore, Carla Jennings and Teach Spark Lab Singapore and creator DAO Collective USA. And this last white paper last conclusions, final reward. The CRTO project stands at the instructions of creative technology and community by combining all drivers content adaptations with decentralized participations and transparent tokenized rewards. CRT offers a new paradigm for how stories are told, owned, and monetized. This is more than just a creative platform, it is a living ecosystems where immigrations transform into impact from story contributors to token holders. Every participant's players a meaningful role in shaping the content ecosystem of the futures. Okay, future version of CRT. Okay, शानी ट्रेडर वेलकम वेलकम जॉन माय चैनल वालेकुम अस्सलाम, कैसी हैं आप शाइनी ट्रेडर, हाउ आर यू टुडे? Future version of CRT looking ahead. CRT envisions a global networks of creators, thinkers, and storytellers collaborating without borders. As the platform grow, we aim to evolve into मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का शुक्र है, ठीक हूँ। प्रोजेक्ट आए हुए हैं उनको कर रही हूँ सुबह से। दुआ करो मैं कंप्लीट कर लूँ। आई एम सो टायर्ड। Okay. I'll work alongside human creative to produce high quality films, series, and advertisement and advertisement commitment to open participation. CRT is spoiled. The foundations for a future world stories are not longer owned by a few but created, shared, and profited from by many. Okay. uh, इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह कुछ आज करूँगी कुछ कल करूँगी। आज तो थक गई हूँ कर करके, कुछ बाकी रह गए हैं, उनको इंशाल्लाह कल करूँगी। और आप सुनाए, ठीक हैं? Okay, guys, our next discussion, FAQ. FAQ. Uh, okay. Gate launch pool, FAQ. Question number one. White. What is gate launch pool? Nisha Jahan, welcome join my live channel. What is gate launch pool? Gate launch pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn holy airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, and question number two. How can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, look into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Okay, then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. And question number three. Which coins can I stake in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. Question number four. How many tokens will be reward? Wholly stacked reward individuals latest one or valid stacking amount, total pool stacking amount, wholly reward pool. And the platform will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. Question number five. uh, how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts hourly, and token reward are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earning will be distributed into users spot account. And question number six. When I will the stacked assets be redeemed? After the user redeem in advanced or the stacking is completed, the stacked assets will be transferred to simple rnb by default. If this options is unchecked, the stacked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. um, uh, sport assessed. If the amount of redeemed assessed is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount to simple error, the assessed will be automatically transferred to sport assessed. If simple error does not support to the claim of the redeemed tokens, the assessed will also be automatically transferred to sport assessed. Okay, question number seven. मेरी बेटियां मैं थोड़ा बड़ा गला खुश्क हो जाता है पीने को। Okay, guys. Question number seven. Can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? The platform will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacked amount each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, the early redemption. Redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amounts to ensure mining reward. In addition, each stacking pool imposes a daily redemptions limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earning. Okay, and question number 8. Question number 8. Can I add additional stacked assets? You can increase your stacked assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the rewards cap is reached, you will not longer receive stacked reward. Question number 9. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pools needs to be stacked separately. If you only stacked as this pool, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of new tokens. Question number 10. Uh, what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be guaranteed. Please refer to the relevant announcement to or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project and will stacking assessed. Question number 11. अच्छा मैं थोड़ी देर कम प्रेस तो क्या नहीं किसी का मारे प्रेस का कार्डिना वाला है ना बस प्रेस Okay, guys. Question number 11. While stacking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No, no assets stacked in gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculations for hodler airdrop and launchpad and VIP privilege. And questions 11. So, what will happen to my fund if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, use stacked principles will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the whole after the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. And about annual percentage, आवाज इसमें जाती है वो फिर पैसे नहीं देंगे about annual percentage rate APR. Number one, when the reward coins is the stacked coins. Stacked coins APR data reward released in the last hour total stacked multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. Okay, and next. Okay, guys, about annual percentage rate APR. When number one, when the reward coin is that stacked coins APR total reward released in the last hold total stacked multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. Number two, when the reward coins is not the stacked coin APR. APR total reward released in the last hold X closing price of the rewards coins of the last holds total stacked X closing price of the stack coins of the last horse multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. uh, star The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updates hourly. Okay, guys, and more discussion. Unlock rules 100%. Unlock Gate Launch Pool allows user to stack early. You can stack your assets before the projects officially launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distribution. The systems will distribute tokens reward to users' spot accounts every hour based on the gate participations of assets stacked by each user. And next, launch pool FAQ. I'm already discuss you FAQ. And next. uh, Newcomers exclusive stacking pool. Only users who sign up offer June uh, sign up after June's 14 2025 at year eligibles. How to participate? Log into yours uh, get account and completed identity verifications. Navigate to launch full hold at last zero point 0.1 per USDT CRT. Click stack and project informations and project informations. um, Project information. CRT project is an all powered Web3 content platform where creators submit story ideas and earn a CRT token as their content is adapted into monetizables scripts and media backed by top investors including Genesis blockchains Ventures and APX crypto Ventures. Ventures CRT is pioneering the creator to earn model, transforming imaginations into income. Website project. next, as the last notice. Number one, notice number one notes notice number one, Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hardly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, and notice number two. Notice number two, please complete the identity verifications before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the reward. Where number four, where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English versions, the English version shall prevail. And number five, get reserves all rights to the final explanations. Number six, this event is not affiliated with Apple INCT. And number seven, notice number seven, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services including the participations in the in this event, game, or competitions. See the user agreement for further details on decentralized locations. Okay, and next, Gate Labs investment disclosure. Gate Labs did not invest in CRT project. CRT risk warning. Risk warning number one, the project teams does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sales price. Please invest with quotations and don't invest by want your financials capacity. Okay, and warning, risk warning number two, the crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technologies of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. And number three, advanced technicals and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto as an investment. And risk warning number four, the market volatility is high and the price of tokens might fluctuate drastically due to technicals, regularity, and marketing factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchase tokens due to technical issues of the project or gate. And next, Gate team, June 2025, gateway to crypto, trade over 3600 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official websites. Download the Gate app and desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Stay connected. Visit Gate official websites. Download the Gate app, desktop, and follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of resources. Okay. Okay, guys, everyone, thanks, a lot of thanks. You joined my live channel, you support me, and join my live stream. So this time, my live stream time is ended because my project is end. So I'm waiting for red packet. You pick it. Okay, everyone, Allah Hafiz, and take care. Bye bye.